Yeah, shout out guys. Thank you. Shout out. I have to shout out all my members, all members of Puma 33. Shout out. Thank you. Thank you, Puma. Thank you. And I have to shout out my daughter in Singapore, Maydi. Puma Indonesia, Puma 33 Indonesia. Shout out.
Trampa? Ha? O ce llama fata da vertigica bua yoroton, yung puna yoroton se complementot ko dintene, kumor panodina,
I cannot understand their language. They are not Italian. There are many language here. I cannot understand. I cannot understand. You see. Shout out Aba Nation Official. Shout out Mikong in Mikong from Vietnam. Shout out Mystic LM Japan. Shout out my members Len RM Hong Kong, Nelia Mix TV Hong Kong, Ate Chin Chin Hong Kong. And shout out to all members of Puma 33. Oh, Puma! There are 4 pigeons here, oh. I have to close up. Oh, my viewers, many viewers. Thank you guys. You are coming back. Thank you for supporting my live. You are coming back. Thanks for coming back, guys. Thanks for coming.